Welcome back to my channel, yeah. Mel's Beauty. I'm Mel. And if you know, it's that favorite time of the month when I see boxes in my mailbox. Boxes in my mailbox. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Okay, let me stop. And what we unboxing today? Dun 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 dun. Ipsy is here, and I don't know how to feel about this today. I really don't. I got my Ipsy bag, and usually it's a little bulky. Well, not too bulky, but you know. But this one, she feel real light, yeah. I mean, so light. I'm like, what did I pay for? I don't know. So because I'm so impatient right now, let's go ahead and get in this box because I can't take it. I can't take it. We gotta open up, see what's in this box. What's this month theme? Like Ipsy, I don't expect no less from you. It's my birthday month. I expect all the good. Like really, goody good. You know? It's my birthday month. You can't be disappointing Leo like that. So ain't nothing on the outside of the bag this time, so everything must be inside. It's a pretty blue bag. What is that? Blue bag. She cute. You know, she's like one of those pad purses, or you know what I mean. You put your pads in them, or you know that little cute bag you put in your purse. You know, have your little makey up in there, and some keys, some, you know, travel bag. So let's go ahead and open it. I feel the card in there. So let's see what today's theme is, which it says July 2018, and all it says is summer. I don't see a theme on here. Let's go ahead and read the back. Ready to dive into summer. Your 5 glam bag picks are pool ready makeup bag. So it's a pool theme bag. I'm like, where is the, you know, theme at? Ton of inspire on Ipsy. Ooh, my nose itch. Ipsy app and here to help you make a splash. I make a splash everywhere I go. Splash. Your scalp needs some hydration, protection, and exfoliating. Your skin needs the rest as the okay. Let me read that because I skipped the whole part and didn't realize it. It said, did you know your scalp needs the same hydration, protection, and exfoliating as your skin on the rest of your body, especially when you're spending time into the sun, saltwater, chlorine. Head on over to Ipsy app for more scalp real talk skincare tips. Okay, scalp talk. Okay, Ipsy, you got jokes. Need an excuse to get your summer shop on? Here we are excessive. So you get cash back if you use the Ipsy app. Just hit shopper tag. And they phone here you get 30% back. So let's go ahead since now we know it's pool theme. We're gonna be pool ready. So I feel something hard, so I'm gonna pull this out first. Another Ofra Cosmetics. This is a eyeshadow. You know what? I really need to get one of those Z palettes. I have so many of these. I might as well just make a palette. Oh, it's black. What is the color? It is not saying. Is the color on here? No, it's not. So let's wash it. I'm like, no, it's not. I'm not gonna say it's patchy. It's more glittery with a side of pigment. It's like something you will do a smoky eye with. And I think I have this kind of color in my naked smoky eye that I love to use when I do a smoky eye. I'm not gonna lie, that is my go-to palette for smoky eye. Let me set that over there. Let's see what else is in here. This is a sugar what? It said heavy duty purple Germany. Boo, what are you? Are you an eyeliner? I don't know what this is. I don't know if it's an eyeliner or a lip pencil. Okay, no, it's a lip pencil. It's a lip pencil. It's a little bit too creamy to be an eyeliner. It's a cute purple. And it's so soft. Very pigmented. And it says stroke of genius. You saw it right, stroke of genius. You know what? I gotta look this up. I gotta see what this is. I have the Ipsy app on my phone, so I'm gonna look this up to make sure this is a lip pencil, because you know stuff can go either way, because I've had creamy eyeliners before. Let's see. This is a Ipsy. Your app is going slow. Oh my goodness, it is. It is a eyeliner. I thought it was a lip pencil. It is a eyeliner. It is a creamy purple eyeliner. That's gonna be interesting. I have never did a purple eyeliner. What's up? Okay. This is a Lord and Berry. Now this one is a lip liner. Oh my god, I'm pretty sure you can still use it as a lip liner. Oh, this is very pink. I mean orange. I said pink. This is very highlighter orange here. And last time we had some highlighter orange, I didn't like it. Let's be serious, I didn't like it. Why? Because it was so patchy. But you know what? I can probably do something with this. I can do something with this. I don't know yet, but I might have something for her. I might. What else? This is called Clear. Time to Clear Facial Mud Mask. Why are we getting all these products, all these face products? I'm trying to zoom in so y'all can see all these face products, not just clean my skin to do a nighttime unboxing. Whew. But my glow is real, y'all. My glow is real. I need to stop. Okay. We have another Feel Restored Self-Warming Clay Mask. Pore Opening Deep Cleaning. I think I got this in one of the last bags. And I got it again. Ipsy, you doing repeats with me, boo? You doing repeats with me? That's alright, because that means if I try it and like it, I have another one. So I won't have to buy one for a while. This is kind of done a little quick. I wasn't trying to get done that fast, but that's all she wrote. And I'm still mad that this is a not lip liner. This is a gel eyeliner. That is gonna be interesting. I'm gonna have to use a purple liner and just use it just for the heck of it, and then use a little black eyeshadow from Ofra in there. Why not? But that's it. She empty. And you know what? Why not put up a poll question? What y'all thought about this month Ipsy box? You think Ipsy going downhill? You think I need to discontinue? What you think? Wouldn't be mad if I discontinue. But I ain't gonna lie. Some stuff I got from Ipsy has been a steal. It has been a steal. It's been one of my holy grails. Like right now, that glow tonic that I got from Ipsy. Do y'all see my face? Do you see this glow? I have nothing on. Do you see this glow? Oh my goodness. Yes. I don't know. You think let me ask y'all. Do y'all think Ipsy is worth the price and worth the sample size to keep on going? Sound off in the comments. Sound off. Tell me what you think about this box. Tell me how you feel about Ipsy. Period. Tell me about the price point, everything. How do you feel? Not only that, I just got a repeated item. So, I'm going to be listening to y'all in the comments. So, go ahead. Sign off, y'all. Sign off. But that's the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that little notification bell so you know when moi is posting another video. I have more videos coming for y'all. I cannot wait. This is my birthday month. I'm about to get it popping up in here. I'm about to, ooh. I got so many surprises for y'all, and I got so much stuff I want to do with y'all. So, also, don't forget to hit that subscription box. You don't know what's down there, and I got some good goodies for y'all to have. Go ahead and open that subscription box, boo. And I know you like to shop. I know you like some deals on some makeup. I know y'all like cash back. Don't you try to click out of here. I know you like some cash back. I know you like to get paid to go shopping. Hit it. So, you know, while you're right here, go ahead and watch the next video. Or go ahead and hit my face. So you don't have to hit the subscribe button. Hit my face and subscribe. You know, go ahead. Go ahead, beauties. Bye, beauties. Well, good night. Bye.